Hey, how's it going? Happy Valentine's Day. Today we're going to go over how to draw Snoopy with a Valentine's Day heart like he's hugging it. Hit the like button if you love Peanuts and Snoopy and Valentine's Day stuff. So let's get started, okay? This is for beginners, so let's get with it. Excuse me for my voice. I'm sick, so I still have a bad voice. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna throw a curve for the front of Snoopy's nose. I'm a really big Snoopy fan, so yeah, there's even a playlist on here for different versions of Snoopy doing different stuff. Curl right here for the top of his head, and it's gonna be sliding down over here on this side. It's gonna slide into his ear over here, so I'm gonna go downward, curve. So over here is kind of his nose. He's not gonna be aiming that way, but let's find the tip of his nose. It's gonna be kind of toward us, and then just fill it in. Gonna go over here onto his eyes. I'm gonna draw a line over here, just a straight line, and a line over here. Don't forget to hit the like if you like Snoopy. I don't know if I said that already, forgive me. And he's gonna be hugging a heart, so I'm gonna have to draw the heart right here on this area. Maybe start around right below this eye. Maybe put a dot right here for the center of the heart, and I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve. This doesn't have to be, you have to remember something, it doesn't have to be exact. If you have a bigger heart, a smaller heart, just as long as you get the idea, it's completely, completely fine. Heart on that side, and go over here, the top of the heart on this side. Okay. Yeah. Pull that line in. And then maybe we can pull the heart in just a bit. So we're gonna draw his arms now. So around this, I'll pull it in a little bit more. Let's pull a line over here, and he's gonna have his arm on this side, his paw. Now we're gonna draw his finger, kind of completing this area. So curve, go over here, curve, go over here, curve for his paw. One more line right there. I'm gonna pull that line back around this area, and then we're gonna see the other side because he's kind of wrapping his arms around. So over here now we're gonna draw the other curve for one finger or paw. Curve over here on this side, curve over here on this side, and maybe one more on this side. Alright, pull line down for the back of the shoulder right there. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna close this off the mouth. So the front of his mouth is a certain shape. Curve. Excuse me, I'm coughing. Sorry about that, guys. If you like learning how to draw, definitely hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I post a video every single day, and I'm posting shorts all the time. A lot of learning here, and I really hope that you guys are increasing your drawing ability and your drawing time, because it's fun to do it. Gonna go over here. We're gonna find the dark part of his ear, so maybe around this point I'm gonna start. A little bit lower. And that curve. And leave a line on the edge right there, okay? A line right there for the other edge of his ear. And I'm gonna fill this area in right here, the dark portion. Right on. There we go. Gonna go over here, maybe we're gonna catch a bit of his smile. Where would it come out? Right here. Like he's smiling. He's got maybe a hair coming off the front of his head right here. Sometimes he has that. Couple hairs. Let's draw the rest of his foot that's in the way of his arm. So right here, we're gonna draw another hill. So curve up, down. This foot's pretty long. And curve underneath. Pull down. Gonna go over here on this side, curve down on this side for the rest of his foot. Line in. Gonna find the tail over here, out, down. Line. Line. Line for, kind of separate the paws there on his foot. And I'm gonna find the underside of the other paw, and it's literally the exact same shape as that one. Over here, and I'm gonna pull up, same shape, but it's behind there. Over here, line right here for his paws. Then I'm gonna go form a little line right there to kind of find kind of the stomach, and then I want to find the line right there for the hand, the arm underneath that, if that makes sense. I'm actually gonna color in that heart. Let me get a red marker here. I don't know, I have one right here. It doesn't matter what kind you use, but I do have a Copic marker. Like I said, it doesn't really matter what you use, but a line right there. Fill it in here. Filling that hard in. Just gonna do it at your own do it at your own pace. Hopefully you like Peanuts. Like I said, if you want to learn how to draw in general, I teach how to draw overall, like in general, like anything. Go check out the Skillshare, and a link is in the description. Skillshare is a website where there's like a bunch of creatives that get together. It's kind of like the Netflix of art, really. You just go on there and watch a bunch of material. So when you go on there, you can just kind of pay a monthly fee. But the good news is if you actually click the link in my description, you get about a month, I think, free. So go take a look at that. I go over stuff like anatomy, like you know, human anatomy, like line art, how to kind of master your line art, stuff like that. I go more in depth over there than I do over here. Although, like I said, it is fun to do stuff here, but I go way more in depth over there. There's one thing I forgot right now as well. He has a dot on his back, a black dot, so I'm going to draw a line up here in this area. Kind of run them up. And I'm going to fill that in. Just kind of remember that. And then I'm going to draw the floor on the other side. Like I said, I want to hear from Peanuts fans. I got to thicken that line here underneath his... there. I want to hear from Peanuts fans, so let me know. I really want to hear a lot of feedback. I want to make a... I think... Sorry, I'm sick. I have a Peanuts playlist. So, you know, I am, like I said, a huge fan. I want to maybe take it further, and I've already drawn a few characters. You can go check that out on the playlist. But other than that, I want to see what other characters I can draw from that universe. I might go over and just draw every single one of them. So I do need like your support, though. Definitely hit the link, hit the like button for all those videos or some of the videos that you like, and it will help me out so that I can, you know, push those videos. Also, don't forget, I release a coloring book. If you love coloring, I release a coloring book on Amazon. The link is in the description, and even I think in the top bar of the main page. But it's gonna be the first link, and I put out a coloring book every single week, okay, on Amazon. So it's a new one, a new scenario. If you want to give me ideas for a coloring book, I would do it. I'll probably end up doing it, but it's on Amazon. Go take a look at it. There's a lot of amazing stuff on there. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the amazingly beautiful people on here. You guys are fun. I can't do this without you, and I'll talk to you next time.